You called me a monster, though.
And you're your adorable monster that I love. Not always.
This is the one time I can say you have nothing better to do but hang out with us in Box Week. Other times, you definitely have something better to do. This time, you ain't got nothing better to do. Nothing. Nope, we're not redoing it. We're gonna just kick it off. We're just gonna roll with it.
Hold on. I gotta.
No, we're not holding on. Stop it.
Tell me, we're starting.
We are starting.
We are go.
First of all, you don't have the authority to make that call.
What is it? Something. Lights, camera, action.
I'm mad at you.
Mad at me.
I'm so mad at you.
I gave you the choice to involve me in both videos or just one.
Don't tell people that.
I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh. You ready now?
Yes.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and Josh.
Hi.
And today... Nope. That was so awkward. Really, dude? Stop laughing. He's literally shaking over here laughing. What is wrong with you? This is life after being cooped up for the coronavirus.
Oh,
this is life after corona. This is it. All right, so hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is the first day of March 2020 Box Week. Don't try to sweeten up to me in front of them. You're making yourself look nice. They're gonna be like, oh, Drew, you're so mean, Josh, give him a break. And I'll be like, no, he's not that nice.
I'm actually just a terrible human being.
He's actually really sweetheart, but I'm a little... Okay, anyways, so we're kicking off Box Week. Also, I feel like there's no better time to have Box Week ever. Like, we're literally all trapped indoors. Everything's closed. Schools, a bunch of like places are shutting down. My gym's closed. So this is like the best time to ever have a Box Week.
We can
ever.
call these Corona boxes.
It's just welcome to Corona Box Week 2020. Hopefully, there's only once ever. And that we don't have to do this in April too. So kicking off the coronavirus Box Week, or March 2020 Box Week, we're going to be unboxing Sips By, which is my monthly tea subscription. Sips By started sending this to me a few months ago. If you want to check it out for yourself, use code DREW5 and you will save $5 off your first box. I will say that we like this one. Josh has been enjoying trying some of the new teas. I like trying them too. What I like about it is that, and I've talked about this kind of every time, is that it's a way for me to become a little tea smarter, because I never really knew like which teas were like right or profiles, and this helps me figure out stuff that I like, stuff that I don't like. Helps you try it every month. If you do sign up for it, it is $15 per month. And where's Mr. John Wayne? Oh. Guys, it's a big day, because guess who's back? Oh my gosh. If you literally just lost... We had found John Wayne, and you just lost him. You were sitting on John Wayne. We have been missing him for like 5 months. John Wayne's back, everybody. The main man of my YouTube channel. What? Hey! What? Okay, so John...
Sorry, guys.
You just kicked the camera.
I did it.
You
It's
just
okay. The
kicked
camera's
it.
okay.
You
I kicked the stand. Not
No,
the camera. The camera's okay.
it moved.
My foot.
All the way to the foot. Why are you like this? Who?
Just, you know.
I just moved the camera back.
Uncontrollable creativity.
This is so awkward. I'm sorry.
I'm just letting the creativity
Oh, I forgot to mention, if you're enjoying this video, you should subscribe.
Great.
There's gonna be a new video every day for 7 days. So like,
I'm not always
this is the one time I can say you have nothing better to do but hang out with us in Box Week. Other times, you definitely have something better to do. This time, you ain't got nothing better to do. Nothing but hang out with us in Box Week. This is my March teas. And they always say made for Drew, which I love that. I don't know why, but this is like, this makes me happy every month seeing it says made for Drew. And like, it's personalized.
I should try and say made for Josh and Drew.
Maybe made for Drewshi. Okay, so the first one we have is Stash Double Bergamot Earl Grey. Ooh, you like Earl Grey, don't you?
I do.
Too bad I don't feel like sharing with you right now, because you picked the camera, you sat on John Wayne, and you laughed in the video. I can see you. I can literally see you. You're on camera. You're on a video camera.
She's not always home, so she doesn't have any control over whether I drink it or not. You can share it, or I'll drink it.
Earl Grey fanatics grew especially fond of the top grade oil of bergamot that Stash Tea uses in their Earl Grey tea and asked for more. Thus, double bergamot Earl Grey was born. And this is a high caffeine. Next one we have is cinnamon rose. Ooh, a mist tea.
That sounds amazing.
That sounds really amazing. Cinnamon rose black tea. This is also high caffeine. Delicious and sophisticated. This romantic blend is diverse. Combination of black tea, roses, orange peel, cinnamon, and cacao. Say cacao. Please say cacao.
Cacao.
You're burning this potato to the ground on purpose now. It's like you're trying to ruin it now.
Just, you know, get a little bit of gasoline.
Makes a flavorful blend that is also soft and elegant. I feel like this tea was a description of me.
It's gonna be real.
Do you feel like this tea was about me?
That tea is about you. Look, I'm just gonna be real. They threw about as many big words as they could in that description.
Oh, look
I'm
it.
sure
There's
it's
more.
Delicious.
There's more.
Oh, sweet. So
You can have one.
share.
I can. It'll hurt even more when I choose not to.
You're a monster.
I will share. You call me a monster on my channel?
Well, I love you.
That's mean.
Doesn't matter, I
It hurts
love
my
you.
feelings. My heart hurts. I don't buy that. You just want some of my tea.
Yeah.
This is so bad. I'm so sorry. That's uncomfortable. I feel bad about that happened.
I don't know.
I feel bad
think
that
they might be
happened.
entertained. I mean, if
I feel
anybody's
bad
got
that
as
happened.
screwed up a sense of humor as we do, I mean.
I don't think anyone can hear you. That's good. Next we have Tea Kitten. Tea Kitten! So
Aw,
cute!
it's for you.
Pink citrus magic with a K. Low caffeine. This fruity citrusy green tea blend channels your inner sorceress
Well, that's heresy.
with a magical ingredient that turns this brew into a playful pink delight. Oh, cute. Add a drop of lemon and watch it change colors. I'm so excited.
That's cool.
I'm so excited. It's going to be so cute. Let me know the color. I'm so excited. Okay. And then finally, we have K&K chai. Try something better.
What?
Let's try something better. It's caffeine free.
Oh, that's funny.
This naturally caffeine free blend of South African rooibos. Can you say rooibos? Vanilla bean and masala spices is amazing brewed on its own, but also stands up very well to added milk and sweetener.
Rooibos.
Rooibos.
No, it's rooibos.
Rooibos.
It's rooibos.
Rooibos.
I'm Googling it.
Googling it?
I'm curious.
Hey Google, how do you say rooibos?
It doesn't work on my phone.
Google. Hey Google. Google? Hey Google, how do you say rooibos? Did it say rooibos pregnancy?
Oh, you're right. Rooibos.
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 Here, let's do it.
Rooibos.
Rooibos.
You know, I should have been doing this for a long time, is
Rooibos.
learning how to
Oh, dude,
pronounce words in my
it
channel.
even makes the... Look.
Rooibos.
It literally makes the... That's so weird. There's now a face on Google pronunciations, so it not only says it, but there's a mouth that makes the gestures. I'm uncomfortable.
I don't like it.
That's really uncomfortable.
I think it brought us closer together, though.
I just feel really uncomfortable.
All right, well, let's recap the box. We got the K&K chai, and it says try something better. We got the cinnamon rose, and the one that Josh is most excited about is the double bergamot Earl Grey.
Yeah.
And the Tea Kitten. Oh no, there's 4 of them. You can have one.
That's a 25% ROI. I could take that and give that.
Okay, and then we got the Tea Kitten Pink Citrus Magic, which turns pink when add lemon. I'm so excited to try that one.
I'm gonna videotape her reaction whenever we drop lemon in it.
And you know what's funny is like I really do get that kind of level of excited about stuff. I get so excited. It's so cute.
It's honestly adorable, though. It's one of my favorite things about her.
Thanks.
It makes my heart melt.
You called me a monster though.
And you're your adorable monster that I love.
Okay, so that's
Yeah.
you guys.
I might
He
go
threw
through
it.
2.0. I'm also, the next Jim Carrey. So
You're not the next Jim Carrey. He threw it and it landed directly in the tea box. I don't even know how that happened, but it
Good
happened.
luck.
Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so much. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life. And join us for the whole week, because you ain't got nothing better to do.
I just want to say that
No.
if she if I can get married to her, you can definitely like be a part of the crew, because like
What does that even mean? I don't know if
I'm
you're
as bad as it gets.
I don't
so
know if you're knocking.
Anybody can be in.
What? Why would you say that about my husband? Aw, no.
I'm great though.
You're wonderful.
I'm a wonderful
You're a wonderful
annoyance.
annoyance.
I just couldn't let it end without just, you know, adding a little bit more cursing.
Just like bring it down. Just like you're like, it was already here, so let's just.
That paperclip right down about.
All right. Well. Okay. So.
Love you.
Love. To me or them?
Well, I was looking at you when I said it.
I don't know. It was just kind of weird. If you were saying bye and you're like, love you. I don't know if you're talking
Bye,
about me.
guys. Bye.
Having 2 children in the home to 3, and then working full time is a lot. And then also the whole like, I got a husband now thing is a lot.